NIO's intelligent assisted driving system aims to save energy and reduce accidents. The first version of the NIO World Model (NWM) prioritizes safety, delivering comprehensive improvements in both technical specifications and user experience across 4 key scenarios: active safety, highway piloting, urban piloting, and smart parking. This fully demonstrates NWM's solid foundation and high technical capabilities. The first version of the NIO World Model (NWM) applies its modeling capabilities to active safety, offering improvements in driver impairment, rear-end collision prevention and protection, and overall obstacle detection. This further enhances NIO's safety system and continues to solidify NIO's position as an industry leader in smart safety. NIO also offers the industry's first mass-produced, emergency autonomous towing feature to address driver impairment. On highways or urban highways, if the driver assistance system detects an unconscious driver, it will gradually slow down, steer the vehicle to the far right emergency lane, activate the hazard lights, and proactively initiate SOS emergency assistance. For rear-end collision prevention and protection, NIO has pioneered the use of a large-scale model for rear-end collision protection, implementing the Rear Collision Prevention and Protection (RCM) system. This feature provides a double flashing warning for potential collisions with a rear-end vehicle at speeds between 0 and 150 km per hour. When the system detects an imminent collision, it completes the entire process, from detection and decision-making to brake pressure generation, within 500 milliseconds. This reduces the passive forward motion of the vehicle in the event of a rear-end collision by up to 93%, minimizing the risk of a secondary collision. For general obstacle detection, the General Obstacle Alert and Assistance (GOA) function has been further enhanced with modeling capabilities. In addition to reacting to obstacles during vehicle turns, lane changes, and approaches, it also responds to height differences, road barriers, edge barriers, curbs, and more, reducing and preventing common accident scenarios such as hitting curbs, parking lot walls, and curb barriers when approaching at low speed. As NIO's intelligent assisted driving technology architecture evolves into a global model, it prioritizes the application of modeling capabilities to enhance active safety. NIO was the first company in the industry to introduce modeled automatic emergency braking (AEB) and industry-leading automatic emergency avoidance (AES) systems, utilizing General Obstacle Alert and Assist (GOA) for active safety. Furthermore, NIO integrates active and passive safety features into its intelligent chassis. The quantitative results of these active safety features in reducing accident losses have been validated by PICC, CPIC Property and Casualty Insurance, Ping Property and Casualty Insurance, and Swiss Re. Based on improving active safety, the NIO World Model (NWM) also utilizes full understanding, creative reconfiguration, and reasoning capabilities to provide full coverage of toll booths and parking lots, enhance multi-scenario driving and parking assistance, and realize a full area, point-to-point navigation experience. On highways, the NIO World Model (NWM) autonomously selects the most suitable ETC lane for passing and reacts to traverse inclines and declinations based on comprehensive understanding and extraction of real-time multimodal environmental information. Furthermore, in the first version of the NIO World Model (NWM), Highway Pilot Assistant offers a more powerful intelligent driving mode for users seeking greater peace of mind. This mode offers smoother tracking, more powerful lane changes, enhanced defensive driving capabilities, and the ability to automatically flash headlights or sound the horn when necessary to warn surrounding vehicles. For global point-to-point navigation assistance, the first version of the NIO World Model (NWM) also includes a parking space collection feature. By adding a marked parking space to the collection area after parking, you can enjoy seamless global navigation assistance when entering or exiting the collection area. Even if the collection area is full the next time you enter, the system will automatically find a vacant space nearby for you to park temporarily. NIO is the first company in the industry to offer a fully modeled parking assistance function. This function provides 360 degrees parking space recognition across, behind, and across aisles, increasing the parking space viewing range by 4 times. The system can also initiate parking commands from anywhere, utilize aisles for long-distance parking, and automatically maneuver between different spaces. NIO World Model, NWM, has been fully deployed in over 400,000 Banyan models as of May 30.